Hi, I'm Rocio Santibanez. I'd like to share a body detox strengthening exercise with you. I challenge you to do this every day for a month. If you can, take a clear photo showing your face and body. Take your measurements and weigh yourself. Do this again after a month and comment on the changes you notice. First, we'll strengthen the midline. We'll boost the central nervous system, meninges, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We integrate everything, top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, front to back, back to front, inside out, and outside in. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time for infinite time. We tense the midline in rhythm with the heart and lungs. We strengthen internal and external dynamics, limits and vertices, 100% with infinite potential all the time. We reduce all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite duration. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram body, mind, and spirit. We center, balance, and protect the midline, 100% with infinite potential all the time. We eliminate toxins in fluids, waste, food, water, and environment. We remove dehydration, deoxygenation, and calcifications. To 0 minus 0 infinity, 100% of the time with infinite duration. We eliminate poorly digested food, cell waste, dead cells, bacteria, viruses, and fungi. We remove parasite waste and parasites mimicking or invading cells and eliminate encapsulation of cells and tissues, heavy metals, stagnant blood, excess calcium and minerals. We remove fetal waste, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and petroleum derivatives. We eliminate food dyes and preservatives and remove toxins produced by chemicals, medicines, recreational drugs, and prescription drugs. We remove embryonic waste, cells aged by toxicity, and abnormal DNA replicas. We eliminate damage caused by free radicals, remove encapsulated cells and tissues, and break them down into molecules, atoms, and quantum particles. We remove smog, smoke, solvents, cleaners, and heavy metals to 0 minus 0 infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We activate black holes and wormholes in cells to clean waste, 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate all weaknesses completely, 100% of the time, infinitely reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. We remove poisoning from food toxins, dyes, preservatives, chemical additives, hormones, antibiotics, water, chlorine, fluoride, lead, asbestos, minerals, calcium, and antibiotics. We cleanse the lymphatic system of blockages, stagnation, congestion, inflammation, live, dead or latent infections, viruses, bacteria, fungi, candida, parasites, poisons, toxins, dead cells, waste. We fully eliminate dehydration and deoxygenation 100% of the time, infinitely. We strengthen the lymphatic system, lymph nodes, lymph fluids, lymphatic channels, ducts, centers, liver, kidneys, bladder, large intestine, sweat glands, salivary glands, lungs. We strengthen internal bodily functions and dynamics. External dynamics, internal limits, external limits and vertices. 100% infinite potential, 100% time with infinite time. Increase water, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon and growth hormone. Improve distribution, use and transport of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids, fatty acids. Boost negative electromagnetic charges, reduce positive electromagnetic charges, increase negative ions, decrease positive ions, raise alkaline pH, lower acidic pH, and increase internal voltage to at least 9 volts. Enhance black holes and wormholes in all body cells. Increase tension and decrease relaxation in all cells. Strengthen the central nervous system for weight loss. Improve large intestine function. Strengthen the endocrine system and all its parts. Boost the digestive system and all its components. Reinforce internal dynamics, external dynamics, internal limits, the outer limits and vertices. At 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time, we reduce all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time. We eliminate being overly alert or overprotective of life experiences. We remove anxiety, anguish, sadness, depression, or any debilitating emotion for weight loss, health recovery, organ rejuvenation. We eliminate criticism and self-criticism, boost mitochondrial oxygen and glucose, increase production, use distribution and transport of growth hormone, eliminate negative emotions and their accumulated effects, remove negative experiences, options and their cumulative effects, eliminate negative reactions, remove associated negative spiritual experiences and their cumulative effects, eliminate spiritual attachments and their effects, remove humanity's collective influence. We eliminate ancestral influences and their accumulated effects, strengthen internal and external dynamics, inner and outer limits and vertices to 100% infinite potential all the time, eternally. We make all weaknesses drop to negative infinity 100% of the time, forever. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind and spirit. We eliminate nerve pain, boost circulation, increase energy, clear blockages. In the lymphatic system, remove waste and toxins, relieve spinal cord pain, eliminate brain weaknesses, clear the mind, strengthen weak points, enhance peristalsis, resolve body fusion, fix body misalignment, remove weaknesses from multiple personalities, break spiritual bonds, integrate the internal and external, the outer and inner. We integrate large intestine with small intestine and small intestine with large intestine. We connect large intestine with lungs and lungs with large intestine. We remove twisted intestines, fallen intestines and contrary perceptions. We clear negative emotions, experiences and karmas. We eliminate miasmas, DNA memories, chromosomes, genes, curses, spells, and astrological influences from other times and spaces. We clear collective consciousness, ancestral ties, self-limitations, spiritual bonds, multiple personalities. We erase all traces, conventional influences, and unidentified factors associated with excess weight and aging. We restore neutrality to mind, body, and spirit. We restore the true self to the whole and the whole to the true self. Centered, balanced, and stable. Strong, resilient, and flexible. We reduce unwanted spirits and influences from the deceased. We remove memories that have outlived their purpose. We extract memories from quantum particles to our true being, strong enough to eliminate, free, detach, release, protect, forget, and erase. We strengthen inner and outer dynamics, internal and external boundaries and vertices. At 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time for infinite time. And we reduce all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, always and forever. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. Thank you.